Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of state chart diagram. We have a state chart diagram. It shows a sequence of states that object goes through during its life in response to the outside stimuli and messages. Uh, the objects will be in the various states. This diagram captures the various states of the object. State is a set of values that describe an object at a specific point in time and is represented by a state. Symbol and transition are represented by the arrows connecting these states. State represents the method execution and activities represents and the act represents the activities of the object that performed on the method. State diagram may be a starting point, a solid circle, and several endpoints. Bullseye. It may have a starting point, a solid circle, and several endpoints, a bullseye. State is shown as a rounded rectangle. Each state has a name, a proper name, optionally a state variable. That means an attribute of the state on in class and optionally the activities. Standard events in the activity compartment include entry, exit, and do. Standard events in an activity compartment include entry, exit, and do. So name, state variable, and activities. Okay, name is mandatory, state variable activities are optional. For example, entry activities, entry. Set a, for example, typing a password is a state name. Entry means set a echo invisible. Exit means set a echo normal. Character means handle a character. Help means display the help. So this is an example. The basic symbol, the state symbol. State symbol is this symbol is known as a state symbol. State represents situation during the lifetime of an object. This is a rounded rectangle. It represents the state. It is a lifetime of an object. Rounded rectangle is used to represent the state. State transition from the one to another state. Okay, because of the event or action. Event may have a parameter or action. Start state is a solid circle. End state is a bullseye. When an activity symbol appears with a state symbol, it indicates the execution of the operation. When activity appears on the state symbol, it executes the indication. It indicates the execution of an operation. The outgoing solid arrow attached to the start state symbol indicate a transition triggered by the completion of the activity. A message is a data passed to one object to another object. At a minimum, a message is a name that will trigger an operation associated with the target object. The internal transition compartment. List of the internal action or activities performed in response to the event received while the object is in a state without changing the state. The syntax used in this are event name argument list or action expression. For example, help is an event name and action expression is a display help. If you give a help, help should be displayed. Two special events are entry and exit. They are reserved name and cannot be used for for other events. So entry means what are the activity will be happen during the entry to the state. What are the activity will happen while exit from the state. If you see the password example, so this password state, okay, entry means set echo invisible. Okay, exit means set echo normal. Entry action expression. Action to be performed in the entry of the state. Entry exit action expressed. Action to be performed in the exit of the state. Nested state machine. The state chart supports the nested state machine. To activate the substates using a keyword do machine name and the argument list. Okay, this is known as nested state. If the state is entered after the entry action, the nested state machine will execute with this initial state. And reaches final state, it will exit the action of the current state. Okay, if it is a state is contained the another state, it's a nested state. When the entry will happen, okay, this the initial state in an internal state, okay, a state within the state, okay, internal state, the initial state will be executed. So after the internal states are executed, then it will reaches the final state. It will exit from the action of the current state. So idle, for example, for an example, idle means uh, list receiver and get dial tone. Okay, this is a state. So for example, he said dialing is a state, it contains various substate. Okay. And in the dialing state, start means entry, start dialing, exit, stop dial tone. Next dial. Okay, dial a number, entry and number and append. So digits of n means actually enter the number. If number is valid, then it will reach us the end state. Complex transition. A complex transition may have a multiple source and targets. A transition can be split into multiple paths, and the multiple paths combine into a single transition by using a synchronized bar. This is known as the dark bar is known as synchronized bar. Complex transition. A complex transition may have multiple source and targets. A transition can be split into multiple paths, and multiple paths are combined into a single transition by using a synchronization bar. The transition is shown as a short, heavy bar. The bar have a many solid arrows from a state to the bar, source state, and the bar may also have one or more solid arrows from the bar to state. This is known as the destination states. So this is an example. Okay, a bar will split into a particular into multiple states, and it also able to combine the multiple states. Advantages. This diagram is useful when you have a class that is very dynamic. It is also helpful to understand each possible state of a class could take. Okay, thank you for watching the video lecture. Thank you.